Yeah, I know, this is really bad. Yes, this is bad.
Got him! Got him!
Imagination.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be organizing my makeup. It's really bad, like really bad. I'm sorry mom if you're watching this. It's like the messiest. So it's been this messy for like over a week now, so yeah, that's okay, that's okay. Some mistakes get made. Let's get like the makeup collection back together. Hopefully this video will like push you if you need to organize your makeup, will give you some motivation. Let's organize it and make it all pretty, so let's get into it. Let's do it. Yeah, I know, this is really bad.
Another one.
Really bad. So we have to go through them. So yeah, let's go. Let's do it. Yeah, so first I'm going to remove everything. I'm going to go through every single product and sort it out and put it on my bed. So we can like have like, you know, eyeshadow palettes together, eyeliners, mascaras together, everything together. So yeah, let's do it. Okay, so the vanity, like the thing, is all clear. I just have makeup wipes and this like tool, and I reorganized this part of the like the vanity thing. And yeah, so no, we're not done. We still have two. I don't know if you guys watched my little makeup collection video. If you didn't, I will link it somewhere. I like the way I organized my makeup in this video. Like, I was discovering my makeup. I was like, oh, I love this, because it was really like the way I was organizing my makeup is not convenient at all. They were like all tasks on each other and I wasn't like aware of what I have. So the first drawer is done. So this is the aftermath. So the lipsticks are still the same, setting sprays, highlighters, bronzers, contourings, beauty blender, and like my eyeshadow palettes. Then two concealers, the powders, blushes. Then I have some eyelashes, this Urban Decay thing, and this eyebrow product from Benefit, and my mascaras and eyeliners are still the same. So and now the second drawer, so let's get into it. Oops, this one is bad. So yeah, let's finish with this one. So the second drawer is clear. This is like non-related makeup products that were in this drawer, my lenses and yeah, whatever. And this is basically everything. I have my brushes here. Like, I'm not going to get like into the brushes because I'm giving them to my mom to like clean, because I don't know how. So now we're going to start organizing. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry for my socks. I'm the only person I think on planet Earth, like I can't sleep without my like socks, and I love buying socks and like funky socks and like weird socks. It's the best. So yeah, let's get into organizing. Let's do it. So for the first drawer, I'm thinking about putting like face makeup, like you know, like you don't wear eyeshadow like every day, but you wear like concealer, mascara. So this is what I'm going to do. So yeah, let's start. So I'm going to be putting my like I don't have organizers yet, but I want to get some. But for now, I'm going to put my mascaras and eyeliners in this like little pouch. This is how they look, like it fit them perfectly. So I'm going to put them here, or maybe like back here, yeah. Now for eyebrows, I chose this little Benefit pouch. Those Benefit brow product go together. I'm joking, I'm really lame, whatever. Let's ignore that. So I'm going to put like this is my eyebrow pouch, and I put my lashes back secured, and I'm going to put it next to the mascara. So yeah, now for concealers and like little foundation samples, because I don't wear foundation. This is the bag I chose for the like concealers and samples, because samples are usually long. All done. I'm going to start placing here bronzers and contouring, because I usually tend to reach for these more, so let's do it. The blushes, because I don't have many, so I have these two and this one, so yeah, that's good. And now I'm going to start with highlighters. I have these three, they're really dirty. I think like this drawer looks perfect. Yup. So I still have my palettes left for the second drawer, so these and this one. So now I'm going to start with the like Urban Decay palettes, because they're all like the same size and they fit perfectly on top of each other. No, I'm not going to go on top, I'm going to place them like this. These palettes I use the least, I don't know, I'm like over these. This is my first ever like makeup product, and I don't know, like the quality on these or whatever. I don't like these like Norvina big palettes, but I really like these ones, like the same, you know, soft glam and the whole collection. So I just put the lipstick like box here. It contains all of my lipsticks, and yeah. Now, oh, I still have my setting sprays. These two palettes I use the most, so I'm going to put them in the top drawer. This one is one of my favorites, so I'm going to put it also with the Tarte in Bloom and Tarte Toasted. So basically, done with organizing the makeup. I still have like non-makeup related products that I'm going to organize, and the like pouches here that I need to put in the drawers, and yeah, I will catch up when I'm done. I just finished organizing everything. I put the like pouches up there. I don't know if you can see them. Here? No, not in the green one. And the why can I not? Here? Yep. So yeah, I'm going to show you like an overview over everything, but if you want like a more in-depth like makeup tour, like I have one on my channel, so you can definitely check it out. And yeah, why am I running out of breath? So here's an overview of the vanity thing. Like it's clear, it's nice, it's clean. I only have like makeup remover and you know creams and moisturizers. Here I have like the tool that I used to film. So this is the first drawer. So here I have my favorite palettes that I know I will like use every day. I only have 3, like this one from Huda Beauty, 2 from Tarte. I have my 2 glow kits, 2 palette highlighters and compact highlighters. Then I have here my translucent powder, 3 beauty blenders because yeah. And here I have my bronzers compacts, 2 blushes compacts, my liquid benefit and highlighter, my stick contouring mini and a stick highlighter. Then I have my contouring palette, my favorite blush ever. It's this one by Charlotte Tilbury, whatever. And I have my setting sprays, the dewy one and the Urban Decay. Then I have a mini one that I take when I'm going to travel or going somewhere. Then I have my mascaras and basically mascaras and eyeliners. For the second drawer I have my lipsticks here and my lip liners in this like box. Then here I have my Urban Decay palettes and I have some, and this one from Elf, and I have some nail polish that I never use, the bag that contains my really dirty brushes and makeup wipes remover, and 2 palettes that I never use and I never reach for these, my hairbrush and the makeup thing, cotton thing. And then I have my like Huda Beauty palettes, Anastasia, Desert Dusk, and this one from Sephora that it's like a small ring light that I never use because I don't take pictures at all. A little mirror, my lenses, and yeah. So basically that's it for like organizing my vanity plus my makeup collection drawers, whatever. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and definitely I hope you guys got motivated to organize your makeup. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have any like video that you want me to do. So yeah, bye.